Chris and Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising, still here in Cozumel, Mexico, but now we are going to be heading over to Mr. Sancho's and checking out Mr. Sancho's. We're just waiting for a third member of our group to arrive, and then we're going to start heading that way. Now, I've already spoken to the taxi drivers. Price has gone up a little bit on taxis since we did our research. It is now $22 for 1 to 4 people in the taxi. So just a flat rate of $22 up to 4 people. So 3 of us are going, that's not real bad. And that's $22 each way. So it's going to be a total of $44 round trip for us to take the taxi over to Mr. Sancho's. We've already pre-purchased our tickets for Mr. Sancho's online. I did that through Viator because this is not something you can get through the cruise lines. You have to book it third party. I booked mine through Viator. And I'll tell you what, I'm going to put a link in the description below over to Viator. If you're coming to Cozumel, want to get yourself some Mr. Sancho's tickets or anything like that, you can do it directly from that link. It is $68 per person for Mr. Sancho's, but that is all inclusive. That is your entry into Mr. Sancho's. That is all you can eat food, all you can eat drinks. They have quite a nice menu that we're going to be taking a look at later on. Chairs, umbrellas, all that kind of good stuff. We'll show you everything that it's going to include and do a nice tour around Mr. Sancho's. But just know it's $68 per person currently to go to Mr. Sancho's, and that does not include the $22 each way for taxi. So it's your own responsibility to get there and back.
Now, one thing with Mr. Sancho's, if you call ahead and let them know that there's a birthday, an anniversary, maybe a divorce party, whatever the case may be, they will decorate a little space up for you and stuff like that. So that's something to consider as well.
All right, so we're just going to be waiting for James to join us, and once he does, we are heading to Mr. Sancho's. All right, we are on our way.
Yes.
Mr. Sancho's. We are not the only ones heading for Mr. Sancho's today.
I would say not. 5 ships in port. Maybe 6 ships.
They got horses, ATVs, scooters, limos. Dang, they got it all here. All right, so we are in Mr. Sancho's. We are heading to check in. Oh, there's where we check in straight ahead. But they got shops, they got vendors. I see a pool. But you come to the all-inclusive check-in location. That's us right here. All right, since there's a line, they're going to give us a different check-in location. So far, this place looks good. They got some swings. They got the bar. Lots of places to sit. We are checked in. We are wristbanded. And now they're going to take us to our table, so we can get a look at what's going on here. So we got our table all set, got our umbrella. We even got the menus here. Let me show everybody the menu real quick. So you got appetizers, best of the beach, beach classics. There's a kids menu. They got dessert. But they got all kinds of stuff. You get chips and dip, nachos, french fries, quesadillas, shrimp, seafood. So I'll kind of keep this here for a minute. You can get tacos, fajitas, burgers, chicken sandwiches. On the other side of the menu is the drink menu. So you got your margaritas and daiquiris. You got cocktails, beers and sodas. And all of this is included with your entry here into Mr. Sancho's. So it is all inclusive, all you can eat, all you can drink. You got a small little pool here. They have life jackets and kayaks. Got some ping pong. And up in this area is the restrooms. So our first drinks have come. I've got a Mexican I have Mexican Powerade. Tiffany went with a ship favorite with a Miami Vice. There we go. And what'd you get, James?
It's a lime margarita with the top.
And a margarita.
Yeah.
So I got some tacos to go with my Mexican Powerade over here. Got some beef tacos. They did bring us chips and queso, pico, and some guacamole. We've been eating on that one a little bit. And then Tiffany's got seafood ceviche. Some seafood ceviche over here she's gonna go to town on. That looks good, baby.
Yes.
All right, you got the beach area, you got some slides, some trampolines, and some other stuff going on in here, but here is the beach area. Tiffany said the water is cold. Ooh, it is just a bit chilly as it hits my feet. What do you think, baby?
It's cold.
It's cold? All right, in you go. Water's a little silty up here near the shore, but it definitely looks like there's some clearer spots out there where it's not necessarily so silty, and some further down a little bit. But right here at the beach, it's just the waves kicking up the silt along the bottom. Here she comes. She's gonna make it. It's just a little rough when it touches your tender bits. Once you get past that part, you're okay. Tiffany's back there. She said, nope, I'm not going any further at the moment. So it's good once you get in, but after it's a little bit rocky getting in. It's fine once you're out a little ways, but when you're first getting in, hair rocky, water shoes are probably a good idea. So we're back out here in the water, heading for some of these toys. Looks like we got like a seesaw, a couple of trampolines, a couple things to climb on. So I was just told by one of the lifeguards here, so the toys back here that you can play on in the water are not included in your price, your admission price. So they are not part of the all included. You have to pay extra in order to use those. Now you can still swim here on the other side, plenty of places to swim, but if you want to use these items, you have to pay extra. You can get a serenade if you need a serenade. The sun is now shining. Tiffany's way out here in the ocean. Keep going, baby. Look, there's a cruise ship way over there.
Yeah, I'm not going past them buoys.
You're not going past the buoys.
You're lucky if I get past this far.
One time we've been here, we'll come back again next time.
Yeah.
We have some beds you can lay out on. They got 3 of those up over here. Then they have the pool area
With the swim up bar.
with the swim up bar. So they got all the pool area, swim up bar. They got some swings here at the bar. I think Tiffany's gonna try out one of the swings. Are you swinging? We have more areas down here. See some more shops, more covered seating, some more of the day beds. They got more like cabana style beds on this side. Even come with little curtains. Some more of the cabana style beds. Another pool with a swim up bar. You got places up there to get a massage. Places where they're making some food, drinks down here on this end. On this end you can rent snorkel equipment. They got jet skis. And This here is down here near the very end. They have the jet ski rental. So we're back up on the other side of the pool area, up near the front. But you got your swim up bars, a pool. Said lots of seating. And of course you head towards back into the little shopping area. We get some shot glasses, bracelets, get your hair braided and wrapped. Oh, they got more food. They got a buffet up over here. Oh, here's where the fishies eat your feet. More shops after you get your feet eaten by fish, which I think we might come back and try. We've been talking about it. But they got your magnets, your shot glasses. And then we're back here where we came in. Go across this way. Okay, back up by the entrance and exit area here. Got some Shut Up and Fish shirts. Look at that shirt right there, baby. So we walked by the bar. We were just walking by, video and minding our own business. Bartender got us more margarita time. Tiffany's got hers. Hers says the best woman in the world on her cup. I'll give her that. She's the best for me. Mine says I'm better when I'm drunk. But yeah, we were just walking by and he's like, nope, you guys need a drink.
He said drinks were on him, so.
So yeah, we're having a very good time in Mr. Sanchos today. So now we got some chicken tacos and some nachos. We're trying all the food.
Gotta do that again.
All right, so we got some chicken nachos, some chicken tacos,
And more margaritas.
and more margaritas. I don't know about you guys. You guys probably don't know. But the waiters here seem to think I'm the margarita drop-off point. He'd just be randomly walking by and he'd be like, oh, I had an extra margarita, it's for you. I walked by the bar and they said, you know what, you need a margarita. And now they're making them extra special. Beware of the margaritas in Mexico, I'm telling you. You will stumble back to the ship. There is a possibility Tiffany is going to carry me later.
James is no.
No.
James says he's not carrying me. Tiffany says no, she will. So we are heading out of Mr. Sancho's after a really awesome day. Going back through the shopping area here. But here's where you check in. And now it is shopping time.
I got more little time. Big selection.
They're looking for
Let me show you here.
a gift item, some type of cover-up item they're gonna be looking for here in the shops. Honestly, I'm not 100% sure. I'm just here along for the ride. So we're gonna be checking out a couple of the shops here. Because you know, it's not, Tiffany will never pass up an opportunity to shop. Right, baby? Tiffany's found Minnie Mouse. You don't want that Minnie Mouse, baby? That looks like your speed. Shopping again. Yeah, but didn't she want multiple colors? Wasn't there some purple in there?
Yeah, she likes purple, blue, and white.
Okay, so what about that one? You got purple, pink, and blue in this one. All right, I don't know. I'm probably the worst shopper for a woman, so everybody gonna forgive me for that, but
She just helps me shop.
you got all kinds of stuff in here. All right, so one last look here at the entrance to Mr. Sancho's. And next we are gonna catch a cab and head back over to the cruise terminal. Baby, are you ready to go back to the ship?
Yeah, it's been a
I
good day.
swam, I drank, I've ate,
You swam, you drank, you ate,
I drank.
you drank some more, you drank some more after that. You had a lot of mango margaritas today.
But they were good.
They were good, I have to admit. That is the problem. It is a problem when you get into Mexico and you drink the tequila here.
Yep.
It is so good. It is so tasty. James agrees. You're going to be stumbling back to the ship. If you do it right, especially if you're a non-drinker like I am. All right, here is our ride back to the cruise port. Goodbye, Mr. Sanchos. So now that we're heading back, baby, what is your impression, thoughts about Mr. Sanchos?
It's a good place for $68. All the food you can eat, all the drinks you can drink. There's swimming pools, there's the ocean. There are some extra things there, but those are an upcharge, like the pool toys or the ocean toys, the paddle boats and stuff like that. But they have shops, they have a drugstore, they have tequila tasting, they have the fishies that eat your feet. So it's overall for $68 for the day, it's well worth it.
Yeah, the food was good.
The food was very good.
And the drinks are non-stop all day, and they are not weak.
No, they're not.
So Mr. Sanchos gets a thumbs up.
Mr. Sanchos gets 2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up for Mr. Sanchos. Oh, 3 thumbs up. James got a thumb too.